The PSS1 Power Systems Trainer is a self-contained unit that simulates all parts of electrical power systems, including generation, transmission, transformation, distribution, utilization, and protection. Power input for the PSS1 can come from either the prime mover generator, mains grid supply, or a second generator, the PSS3. The output of the generator or the grid supply run through transformers, which give the correct distribution voltage at either the grid bus or the generator bus. This then allows students to correctly synchronize the generator output to the grid supply. A set of reactances simulate transmission lines. The lines simulate varying lengths from 50 to 125 kilometers. Each experiment utilizes different parts of the unit. In order to connect these parts, the circuit needs to be built. This is done through easy-to-use quick connect leads. The Power Systems Trainer has two identical distribution transformers to simulate the distribution transformers fitted near to factories or houses. These transformers can be used individually or in parallel to explore the relevant behavior of each arrangement. These transformers have variable tappings and feed a utilization bus. The utilization bus simulates electrical consumers. It includes variable resistive, capacitive and inductive loads with an induction motor dynamic load. All parts of the PSS1 include industrial standard protection relays. The relays show users how actual power systems are protected. The students can set the relays from the control panels. The more complex relays also include sockets to link them to a suitable computer for more detailed programming. The switch bus bar section includes a main bus and a standby or reserve bus. These simulate a real bus switching system in the power plant or power distribution station. The relays operate the circuit breakers around the PSS1, which can also be hand operated. All the important circuits have test points connected to a set of test sockets. The users can link out of these sockets or connect them to other test equipment. A set of transducers allows students to connect the test sockets to an oscilloscope for transient measures. Multifunction digital meters connect all the important circuits to show the conditions of all three phases. There are two fault switches to apply faults to different parts of the Power Systems Trainer. These fault switches are used to apply deliberate faults to the system to exercise the protection relays. The faults can either be user-programmed time faults or indefinite. Deeper experimentation can be performed by using blocking switches to ignore different protective functions. TecQuipment provides a set of keys to allow access to the rear cabinet. Housed within are all the electrical components needed for the PSS1. These include capacitive loads, multi-pole switches, industrial standard relays, current transformers, high power resistive loads, and bespoke inductors. Safe operation is maintained for the PSS1 with door interlocks and emergency stop buttons. TecQuipment Power Systems Trainer is a small-scale, integrated power engineering laboratory suitable for group experiments, in-class demonstrations, tutorials, and industrial training.